actually good afternoon. It is midday. And yeah, I am starting off another vlog. I'm actually editing the vlog that hopefully is live before this one goes live. But we know how that goes. But yeah, I am about to grab some lunch and edit, do like a working lunch, but working lunch for Beauty and the Kinks. And then I did get some stuff done earlier for work, but I have not worked out yet. So I'm hoping that the weather keeps up and my aunt and I are able to go. Oh, I look like I am breaking out. That just, my skin looks horrible. I need a skin treatment. Ugh. Anywho, as I was saying, I'm hoping that the weather holds up so that my aunt and I can go running. I also really hope that we get the car back soon because I need to go see my nail lady. I need a new set, complete new set. But yeah, let's go warm up some leftovers and come back, eat, and why is this doing this? We're gonna come back, eat, and so it is clearly nighttime, and I am about to go downstairs and make cookies. I want something sweet. I have a recipe for like a single serve cookie. Like I just make one serving. So I'm probably gonna make like a serving for maybe about 3. Yeah, I'm gonna do for like 3, and they're pretty big cookies, so I'm gonna try to like make them smaller so I don't feel guilty. But I just want to have extra in case my aunt wants some, because caring and sharing. So let's go downstairs and make a very small, probably the smallest batch of cookies I've ever made. Y'all help me out. Help me answer this. Why is it that black people of the diaspora, why do we store our pots and pans in the oven? Like we ain't got cabinets and cupboards. Preheat the oven. My mistake, because I should know better. About 4 pots in there. Pans, rather. Good morning. Today I'm making sorrel. The pool. I'm gonna make some apple butter and an apple cake. wanting to go on the bridge. This is nuts. This is insane. Right now we're about an hour into our trekking. We tried to go on Bridge 5, but we couldn't find it. So now we are on Bridge 4, and we are headed towards the exit because we are tired. And we saw a snake. It has to be in one, right?
Oh boy.
It's not that fair. Not that either.
It's one of the hills and mountains where Teresa the drive up right now.
I hope that's it.
Yo, this way flood. I hope that it took us. That was kind of high. My belly must say I'm freaking in my throat when I had the freaking cut down.